Hi, this is John, and in this clip we'll be installing our top slats. The easiest way to install the top slats are to start by installing the center one and moving towards the outside. I went ahead and picked one of my slats to be my center slat, and I'm going to mark the halfway point. And I'm going to do that on both sides. Next, I'm going to locate the center on my cleat on both sides. Now, since we want a 2-inch overhang, I'm going to make a mark at 2-inch on either side. After I've made all of my marks, I'm going to flip my table over and line it up with my marks. Then I'll put a couple pilot holes in from underneath. Now, rather than buying two different sizes of screw, what I'm going to do is countersink my pilot holes. Just a little bit, and then install my screws. For my next pieces, to create that gap, I'm just going to take a couple of steel rules, place those between my slats, line those up, and then put my screws in from underneath. Now that all of our top slats have been installed, it's starting to look pretty nice.